evening guys! Welcome back to my channel! I'm very happy for all your support guys. You inspire me so much. So ito, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako nag-vlog sa inyo. Okay, before we jump to this vlog again, we are in Taiwan. Don't forget to subscribe. You know it because I love you. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, share and like, and you can also comment if you like. And I'm with Auntie Gay. Right? Auntie, saan tayo ngayon? Ximending. Alright, please enjoy my vlog guys. Meron po tayong pupuntahan tomorrow na, ewan ko, super lamig. Baka manigas na ako. Ngayon, ano pa lang, 13 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius, kaya-kaya ko pa. Hanggang 11 siguro, sagad, kaya ko pa. Pero pag negative, ayawa na tayo bro. I need to buy a jacket. There's someone who's performing right now. Alright, let's watch it bro. Did you like it bro? I hope I can do that too bro. Yan, talo na ako, nakaubod na po guys. I'm defeated bro. I can remove my shirt bro. I'm not a performer. Hindi siya giniginaw bro. He's a magician. Oh, yung bola, tingnan mo, hindi nalalaglag guys. Zoom ko lang. Everyone, we are here in the modern toilet. Alright, I wanna check it out, and I know you guys also want to check this modern toilet. How much are they? Oh, a little bit expensive, but I don't care because I love you. I want to show it to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hello. Anyway, bro, I can see bunch of pupu, bunch of shit, bro. I'm sorry for the word. Shit means pupu. It's tae, Ilocano taki, Japanese unchi desu. Ikitai desu ne. Takai da kedo daijoubu desu. Zenzen daijoubu. Here goes the prices, guys. Alright. So, meron po kayong idea kung pupunta po kayo dito sa modern toilet here in Taiwan. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying, guys? This is for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, ito na pa yung mga picture, guys. Ito na. Kita nyo, nung yung 1500 years ay, what the? How can I say that? Ano ba? O, tapos, meron pang, ano ba yan? My God, I wanna see it, bro. 1500, 1880, and 1960 until 1980, until today, this modern year. So, let's check it out. Kung ano ang klaseng toilet shit nila. Sarado! Oh my God, guys! I'm so sorry! Oh my God! Binalag ko pa para sa inyo. Pero, at least, no, it's not fail, ading ko. We are not fail because we are doing everything we can to make our viewers happy. Pero pag hindi para sa atin, hindi po talaga para sa akin. Hello, how are you? My name is Norris Jan. I have a YouTube. Please subscribe. Norris Jan Vlog. Shit. Anyway, hindi nakasarado po yung modern toilet natin dito. So, I'm little sad, but I'm still happy because I know you're watching right now, guys. Yung mga auntie ko at ang aking ating si Jayshin ay namimili po ng bag. So ako naman po ay walang magawa. Maglakad-lakad lang po ako. Ituturo ko lang po konti ang Taiwan. Alright? Napakalupit dito. Sus! I feel cold. Oh my God. Pero hindi naman na siya masyadong malamig. O siguro sanay na ako. Ewan ko kung bakit. Balat kalabaw po ako. Right? I think I'm not in Taiwan. I think I'm in New York. Right? Yeah bro, look at this! Nakabili na po ako ng aking jacket for tomorrow's vlog. Kung totoo yung sinabi ng auntie ko, delikado po.
Kami kinakabahan.
Oh yeah, ay kayo hindi, meron. Pwede naman kitang yakapin natin ko eh. Pag hindi na ako kaya, yakapin ko yan. Sa magsong yakapin ko, text nyo lang ako, PM nyo lang ako, comment and subscribe. Tapos, lucky winner will have hug from Norris Jan, bonus kiss. Just kidding guys, only hug. Then, ang lupit ng jacket guys. Sobrang lupit. Papakita ko sa inyo tomorrow.
Yay!
Yo brother and sister, the time is 10:30 but still napakarami pong tao. If you can see my back and my front, ang dami pa rin tao bro. Mechakucha hito ga oi desu. 時間が遅いけどいっぱいたくさん人がおります。広い場所ですからね。だって一番いいところ行ってますからね。はい、こんばんは皆さん。私の名前はノリスジャンです。はい、よろしくね。I love you. Akala ko hanggang sa Pilipinas lang po yung pinipilahan na milk tea. Pero hanggang dito sa Taiwan, umabot po yung milk tea. Medyo sanay na po ako magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao. I look like crazy. Where are you, auntie? Naliligaw na naman ako. Oh my God. Auntie. I found the sticky tofu. You know what stinky means? In Tagalog, mabantot. In Nihongo, in Japanese, kusai desu. Demo daijoubu. Tabetai desu. I want to taste it. I want to eat for this person. I want to eat for you guys. Right? Even it's stinky. Oh my God, let's go! Yo! Medyo mabantot po. But yun, pagkain siya. So, let's go. One please. Alright, order tayo po ng isa. Yes, thank you. Yes, naka-video po tayo, hindi camera. It's video guys, but you guys are so cool. Ang bait nyo. Oh my God, naamoy ko na po yung mabantot. Wow, oh my God. Delicious, very delicious. Oh. Ah. Yummy, delicious. Alright, yung mga Taiwan gin, ang babait po nila. Yeah, one thing. A little spicy only, please. Alright, yun my flavor, the spicy or ano, yes. Alright, titikman na natin ang tofu nila. The stinky tofu! Oh yeah! Subscribe to my channel. YouTube! Internet! Mabango! Ano paano naging stinky? Mabango siya!
Parehas tayo! Saan dito ang baho?
Guys, hindi po siya stinky. I think yung name niya lang po yung stinky. Pero in person guys, Hindi naman po siya mabaho, pero tikman na lang natin para magkaalaman na po kung ano ang lasa nitong tofu na to. Stinky tofu! Let's get it on!
Kung anong lasa?
Oh. Mukhang masarap.
Kinakabahan ka ba, Manong?
Hindi. Mukhang masarap, mukhang masarap.
Yay!
Tofu!
In your mouth!
Let's go, guys!
How was it, Manong? Mainit, mainit, mainit. Hindi masarap.
Tama po yung hinala ko. Stinky tofu. It's just a word, guys. Hindi siya actually mabaho. Pero may konti lang naman. Pero still delicious, bro. Hindi ko siya totally ma-explain yung totoong lasa. Pero para sa akin masarap. Siguro yung nagpasarap sa akin yung ano. Nagpasarap sa akin yung sili. Oy, and then si auntie, oh my god, may mga pulis. Bawal po. Tumakas na po lahat ng mga nagtitinda ng tofu. Tumakas na po sila. Ewan ko, baka huhulihin kasi sila ng pulis. Alright, baka hulihin din tayo, auntie, tara. Ate, ano man sabi mo sa stinky tofu? Oh my god, gusto ka, auntie? Oh, it's okay, syempre. It's your opinion, auntie. Yun, pero ang sabi ko, para sa akin, sa auntie ko hindi masarap, pero para sa akin masarap. Yung isa sa nagpasarap at nagpatanggal sa konting amoy, yung sili. Tapos yung vegetables, yung kulay puti nakalagay. Tapos meron natad na luya. So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit sumarap lalo at nawala yung lasang panis. Pero meron po siyang konti. But still delicious, bro! Please try to eat the stinky tofu and you will know. That's it, guys. Where's that stinky tofu? Dumating lang yung police na wala na. Stinky tofu, where are you? Ayun, nakita ko po sila. Umiipat lang sila ng posisyon. And today's vlog, also thank you guys so much for watching it. And I hope you like it. And if you do love it, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Pero guys, ready po kayong maging mabaho yung bunganga nyo, yung hininga nyo, ang baho. Oh my goodness! Yung stinky tofu. I love it. Kaya subukan nyo rin po pag pumunta po kayo sa Taiwan. Again, take care. Mwah! Babush, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Taiwan, I love you.